All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode on Airway Trade. Currently, it's Saturday, day in Lagos, Nigeria. It's Saturday now. Last week, for this week, I analyzed a couple of pairs, up to about 5 pairs. Was analyzed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just to be sure, 5 pairs were analyzed. Following up from last week, where we took those two trades turned out to be a winner. So the first trade on my list this week was USD card. USD card I was looking to go long. I was looking to buy simply because we are having a 3 time frame bullish. So I entered this market. We had a breakout at 10 p.m. Sunday, which Sunday/Monday. So we had a beautiful retest. I entered at this retest as 8 a.m. on the 1 hour. To be 8 a.m. on the 1 hour, right here. So on this market kicked me out. You can see this market kicked me out and later went in my direction. This was the first trade for the list, USD card. I took this trade with my team. Alright, this kicked me out. Then the next trade was USD CHF. No trade was taken on USD CHF. Then Euro GBP. Man, Euro GBP. I messed up on Euro GBP. Okay, I was trying to go on with the continuations at 8 a.m. as well on Monday. No, not Monday. That was on Tuesday. I was trying to go in on a continuation trade. All right, but which didn't happen. This market finally went up, gave me a bearish engulf. So this should have been my initial entry if I was a bit patient, if I was just a little patient. But I wanted to go in on the continuation candle formation. All right, we had a breakout on Wednesday, had a retest, had this continuation very early. I mean, we could have waited a little longer and got in on 4 p.m. Got in at 4 p.m. But my team and I have got in 8 a.m. and this market kicked us out. And mind you, this week I will still be looking to sell this Euro GBP. I will still be looking to sell because on the weekly we have the head, double left shoulder, double right shoulder, and this is a neckline. And finally this week we are closing below that neckline. You can see the weekly has finally closed below the neckline. Coming down to the daily. The daily on the other has a bearish engulf. So I should have been on this trade on the 2 hour. I should have still be holding this trade on the 2 hour bias at this level right here, and this market would have still been in my profit zone. But nevertheless, this week I'm waiting for a clear breaker. Once I have that breaker retest, I'll be going in for a sell for this. The next trade was GBP card. No trade was taken on GBP card. Euro AUD. I actually missed my trade on Euro AUD. We had this beautiful breakout. At the breaker retest, 2 hour bearish engulf, which happened on Tuesday 8 a.m. 2 hour bearish engulf. So this should have been my entry right here. But I also take this trade, but I missed this. This trade. This should have been my entry right there, just as at that zone, targeting targeting 1 to 3. This should have been my entry. This should have been my take profit. But I missed out on Euro AUD, which was one of the good trades this week. I missed out on this. So that's pretty much it for this week. 2 trades was taken this week, and those 2 trades turned out to be a loss. Okay, last week we took 2 trades. Those 2 trades turned out to be a winner, which was 1 to 3. So we are still up for the week. About 4%. I'm still up for the week 4%. So stay tuned for my next weekly analysis coming very, very soon. So that was pretty much it for this week. Peace out now. I hope you all had a wonderful week, and I'm wishing you all a wonderful weekend. Peace out. Stay tuned for my next update.